Guard, Coast Guard, Coast Guard. This is sailing vessel Sojourner, 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 MMSI number 368003430. We are performing a man overboard drill, and we do not require assistance. I repeat, this is a test, and we do not require assistance. Over.
Out here. Let's see what happens.
Right.
Did not respond.
That is correct. We do not require assistance, and we will be pressing the man overboard button on our radio now. It says distress alert, nature of undesignated. Good copy on that. Do you see us on AIS data?
Over.
Over.
Probably looking.
Okay, because I accidentally hit quit, and I thought that's what I was supposed to do. Because we pressed it.
Yeah, never rush to it. Wait.
Okay, because never mind.
They're looking right now.
They're looking.
See, he's checking. It's not a quick thing. Like they can't just oh hey, it's right here.
Just say that 5 times. Then accidentally turn the volume.
What's your position, Robert?
Give him that position.
Do I say 42 degrees?
You say 42 degrees, 21
point
decimal, 390 north. Go ahead.
Wait. 42 degrees, 21 decimal, 390 north.
By
82 degrees, 57 decimal, 439 west. Over.
Sojourner, U.S. Coast Guard, good copy. Hold on, please.
good copy. What?
Hold on.
The pirates talking to the Coast Guard. And we gave them our position.
There we go. But you see, like with them talking and stuff like that, when the Coast Guard comes, you have to make them shut the hell up, right? That way we can hear. So that's going to be tough on the water because you're going to have the waves and all the noise and stuff like that. So somebody's going to have to. Somebody is dedicated to monitoring that. Like somebody has to sit right next to that radio and talk to the Coast Guard until one of the two of you says over now.
Especially if there's like people out there like yelling to like get people.
Hey, wait.
Yeah, they said please wait, and they might have other things going on that we can't hear.
Yeah. Yeah.
And actually, we got a whole group here. We got a couple adults out here, and we got Mr. Getch on the boat. Hi, Mr. Getch.
Hi. Mr. Getch.
And that's Mr. Emma and Mr. Stimson.
Hello.
But they don't matter. Only the kids matter.
Yay!
So we're currently waiting for the Coast Guard to come back and verify that our AIS actually works.
I think I messed it up.
Show me it on the radio.
Oh, like you press it there.
Sailing vessel Sojourner. Sailing vessel Sojourner. This U.S. Coast Guard, over.
So Coast Guard, Coast Guard. Coast Guard, Coast Guard, Coast Guard. This is Sojourner. Over.
Sojourner, Coast Guard. We do not see you on AIS.
Okay, so I think I messed that one up. So can we press the button again?
No.
Copy.
No. Say. Coast Guard, this is Sojourner. We copy, you don't see it on AIS. Does it only broadcast AIS data when we push the button, or should it broadcast AIS data at all times? over. It might be
US Coast Guard. Broadcast AS data and all.
Okay, copy that. We'll check the wiring on the radio and then do another test at a different time. Thank you for your guys' assistance in this. Over and out.
Well, at least we know now instead of like an emergency
Yeah.
situation.
Well, we're receiving.
We're receiving, but if they aren't receiving,
we're not
that's not good.
transmitting. So let's see why we're not transmitting. This is the owner's manual just for that stupid radio. That's all English.
Have fun with
It's a slightly complicated radio.
Hey, at least it's not my owner's manual for my car,
Okay.
which is literally 3 volumes all in
Transmitting.
English.
Good luck with that one, too.
I haven't read that.
GPSC Mark A nav buoy.
Okay, so we're getting ready to demonstrate what we have to do for a man overboard drill. So that's it.
Is skipper's in charge, nobody talks. Okay, skipper's going to be talking to one person, and that's going to be the person that's sent downstairs to man the radio. Okay? We just tested the man overboard button. We're not going to push that yet. If we go over in the river here and we got it covered and it's not foul weather or anything like that, we handle it. If it's inclement weather where we might lose track of the victim or something like that, then we automatically push the button. That's when we would use pan, right? We go to the Coast Guard, say pan. This is sailing vessel Sojourner. We have a man in the water. We think we can get him out. Just keeping you advised, over. And then they would come back and say, okay, if you need assistance, let us know. Now, if we don't respond to that within, I think it's 10 minutes or 15 minutes, they're going to come back on the radio and ask how the progress is going. If we don't respond to that at all, they're sent. That's it.
Man overboard!
Sarah, go down and man the radio. Billy, throw the hole in.
Where are they?
Nope.
Oh, I forgot the...
Yep.
See?
See? It's real, real easy, even under controlled situation.
I was just excited to throw.
Right. The nice thing about the boats that do have the hole in the back is the flag has a batten in it. And then they roll the flag and then shove it in the tube. So as soon as it comes out, the batten opens the flag. So you don't have the little extra step that we're going to have.
Okay.
It would be nice.
Man overboard!
Billy, you're gonna man the radio. Sarah, you're gonna throw in the life ring and remove the Velcro. And Mr. Simpson, you're pointing.
Okay, so once again, Anna's going to turn the boat around, and then we're going to deploy the life sling. Okay?
I just put it all away.
You can if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to.
Take it out, you throw it, and then you throw all the
Right.
line with it.
You always make sure that it stays tied to the boat.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
okay. The only other feature that we didn't talk about is that orange bag there. And that's just a throw rope. Like if somebody falls in the water and they don't need to be hoisted back on the boat, like this is a judgment call, the life sling. If they don't need to be hoisted back on the water, just take that bag and chuck it after you tie it to the boat. Okay? I don't know if it's tied to the boat correctly or not yet. I didn't look. It's just called a tow rope, a tow line.